Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of parquet flooring. Parquet flooring is a timeless and stylish choice for any home, offering both beauty and durability. In this video, we'll give you 5 reasons why you should consider styling your home with parquet flooring. Let's get started. 1. Aesthetic appeal. Parquet flooring is known for its unique and elegant patterns. Whether you choose the classic herringbone, chevron, or basket weave design, parquet flooring adds a touch of sophistication and visual interest to any room. 2. Durability and longevity. One of the best features of parquet flooring is its durability. Made from hardwood, parquet floors can withstand heavy foot traffic and last for decades with proper care. This makes it an excellent investment for your home. 3. Easy maintenance. Parquet flooring is relatively easy to maintain. Its smooth surface makes it simple to clean, and it doesn't trap dust or allergens like carpet does. Regular sweeping or vacuuming, along with occasional mopping, will keep your parquet floors looking pristine. 4. Versatility and design. Parquet flooring is incredibly versatile and can complement a wide range of interior design styles. Whether your home has a modern, traditional, or eclectic decor, parquet flooring can enhance the overall aesthetic and tie your design elements together. 5. Increases home value. Installing parquet flooring can increase the value of your home. Its timeless appeal and durability make it a sought-after feature for home buyers. Investing in parquet flooring can provide a great return if you ever decide to sell your home. And there you have it, 5 reasons to style your home with parquet flooring. From its aesthetic appeal and durability to its easy maintenance and versatility, parquet flooring is an excellent choice for any homeowner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!